If you're asking, can I open a Singapore company from USA in 2026? You can, and here's the exact 3-step path that takes 7 days. Here's the problem. 64% of US founders pick the wrong Singapore structure first. You don't need to fly to Singapore. Formation happens 100% remotely with a nominee director in 5 to 7 business days. Your Singapore Pte Ltd costs SGD 850 with Bastion Formations versus SGD 2400. Most agencies charge for the same package. This matters now because Singapore just updated its corporate tax incentives for 2026. US-based founders can own 100% of a Singapore Pte Ltd without ever stepping foot in the country. You need one Singapore resident director, which is where most people hit a wall. A US tech founder I know tried filing solo in January 2026. ACRA rejected his application twice because he didn't understand the local director requirement. He burned 6 weeks and SGD 1,200 in fees before starting over. This is exactly why we built Bastion Formations, to handle the Singapore resident director piece so you can focus on your product. Most people fail here. They think they can list themselves as the sole director and file with ACRA. Singapore law requires at least one ordinarily resident director. That means a Singapore citizen, permanent resident, or someone holding an Enterpass or employment pass who lives locally. If you're in the USA, you don't qualify. ACRA will reject your application within 48 hours. Do not try to DIY this without a nominee director in place first. You'll pay the filing fee twice and restart from scratch. Step 1 is securing your nominee director before you file. Bastion Formations includes a Singapore resident nominee director in the SGD 850 package. Most agencies charge SGD 1,200 just for the nominee service alone. The nominee signs as your local director, satisfies ACRA's residency rule, and you remain the 100% shareholder with full operational control. This takes 1 business day to assign once you submit your documents. Step 2 is filing your Pte Ltd with ACRA through BizFile Plus. You'll need a unique company name, your passport copy, proof of address dated within the last 3 months, and your Singapore registered office address. Bastion Formations handles the registered office and company secretary as part of the SGD 850 bundle. This is important because ACRA requires both at the time of incorporation. Filing takes 24 hours if your documents are clean. ACRA issues your certificate of incorporation and your unique entity number the next business day. Here's the problem with the 2 paths. Path A is hiring a Singapore CPA firm. They quote SGD 2,400 to 3,200 for incorporation plus nominee director plus registered office plus secretary. You wait 10 to 14 days because they batch filings. Path B is Bastion Formations at SGD 850 for the same deliverables. Filing happens in 5 to 7 days and you get direct support instead of waiting in a queue. Step 3 is opening your corporate bank account. Most US founders want a Singapore bank that integrates with Stripe and Wise. DBS, OCBC, and UOB all accept foreign-owned Pte Ltds but require a Singapore business bank account application with your ACRA certificate, your company constitution, your board resolution appointing directors, and a business plan showing expected transaction volume. Bastion Formations assists with the bank referral and document prep. The exact wording you need in your board resolution is this: we the directors of your company name, Pte Ltd hereby resolve to open a corporate bank account with bank name for the purpose of receiving payments and managing operating expenses in Singapore dollars and US dollars. Attach your passport, proof of address, and the ACRA incorporation cert. Banks reply in 7 to 14 days. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle the bank intro for you. We the directors of your company name, Pte Ltd hereby resolve to open a corporate bank account with bank name for the purpose of receiving payments and managing operating expenses in Singapore dollars and US dollars. Secure your Singapore nominee director first, never file solo. Use Bastion Formations for SGD 850 all-in, saves you 63%. Open your corporate bank account with the board resolution wording above. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com to set up your Singapore Pte Ltd today. Visit https://bastionformations.com.